If you've been wondering what's happening down at BALI in Pattaya, after a year of hearings, applications, building stoppages and more, well, this week some of the buyers called a meeting at Magna Carta Law Office. The Supreme Court has given its verdict regarding a separate case made by the Provincial Prosecutor's Office, and they've issued a judgment that may well affect numerous land titles in the BALI area. The Supreme Court confirms that certificates of utilisation, known as Norsaw 3, involved an incorrect survey which was used in the application and meant that land, beach and actual sea areas were included, creating a land permit which has now been deemed as illegal. Subsequent to a permit issue, the applicants built a sea wall, enclosing beach and common land, and built what's now much of BALI area. The case against 5 defendants were upheld. Another 2 saw their cases dismissed. As the original land title deed has been deemed by the Supreme Court to have been issued many years ago illegally, it's now up to the Thai authorities to decide what they're going to do about it, as well as to decide whether they have to revoke all the title deeds deriving from the original or not. The waterfront buyers called the meeting to ask the following questions. 1. Since the Supreme Court has judged that the officers had unlawfully issued the initial title deed, will this affect subsequent title deeds that were issued, derived from the initial title deeds, as essentially the original flawed deed has been split up many times into separate ones? 2. If evidence shows that the issuance of Saw Cor 1 number 93 and following to it Norsaw 3 number 93 are all unlawful, will all the title deeds issued derived from those be withdrawn or revoked? 3. As Pattaya City Hall has issued a demolition order on some parts of the waterfront project that was not built according to the construction permit, how will this affect the project and the buyers who've already paid money? Those are the points raised at Magna Carta. Furthermore, if there is significant information showing that there is unlawfully possession and issue of the deeds on other lands in BALI High's pier area, this would greatly affect the ownership of the land and current structures, including the images and utilisation of BALI High Pier itself. Those who may incur losses as a result of findings would now want all related departments to consider this issue seriously based on the legality. Regarding further legal action, buyers are considering a class action suit at Pattaya Provincial Court, and they're asking for a clear strategy. Those are the points raised at Magna Carta's meeting last week, and those points have been confirmed by them before we transmit them right here on Fabulous 103.